Hey guys, Alex here. So a few weeks ago, we sent the entire Pluvo team to New York for the New York Tech Week. We hosted our first ever CFO event. We also attended speedrun AI Faire, which was awesome. Now, there's a ton of work that goes behind the scene to make this all happen. So this is your inside view to see what it looks like to run all of these events. So yeah, enjoy the video. I sure hope I brought a key. Oh yeah, we're good. Hey guys. All right, today is the big day. It's New York Tech Week, Pluvo, Finance, AI, Excel. We're teaching everyone how to use Excel and Claude together. Our first ever event. About 1,000 CFOs signed up. So huge day. We're staying, by the way, at the public hotel. Beautiful spot. We took a picture of Nick earlier today. Looked like an Uber driver with extreme aura. Van, have you seen my backpack?
No.
I don't know where my backpack is.
Can't find it.
Sorry to interrupt. Did you guys have any backpacks that might have been left here earlier today?
Backpack from
Black?
my end, I wouldn't know, but the best bet would be the security guard through that door.
Through that door?
Yeah, if you want.
Cool. Thank you.
Professional filming allowed on the premises.
Okay, cool. We're just heading out.
No, I understand. So you have to cease recording immediately.
All right, so we got kicked out. No more filming inside the hotel. And we found the backpack.
We also got our banner delivered.
Banners delivered.
Last
Now we go
minute.
to the venue. Oh God, Vanessa's doing directions? That's problematic.
It's
We
gonna
might
be
not
fine.
get to the venue. We might not get to the venue,
It's
guys.
gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. That way.
Oh, here we go. We're taking the subway. The good old-fashioned way. It's in New York. We gotta take it, right? We've never been on camera and it shows. It's Snoop double OG. All right, where are we going now?
That way.
We're going this way.
We can cross actually.
We can
Are
cross?
we allowed to cross?
We cross? Cross.
Are we allowed
go,
to?
Go, go, go.
No.
Go,
No,
go,
we're
go,
not allowed. We're not allowed.
This is starting to get a little heavy. Did you bring deodorant?
What?
Did somebody deal?
Yeah, we did actually.
Goodness. All right, so if you're still watching, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what Pluvo actually does. When most teams deploy AI, they hit two walls, accuracy and cost. Pluvo solves for both. We proactively capture and store context about your business so that you can get much higher levels of accuracy, all while at the same time saving a ton of money on tokens because you don't have to go and find that context every single time you prompt the engine. So to sum it up, as someone who is a strategic finance leader in your business, you're at the intersect of all of the data. And so Pluvo is quite literally the best way to deploy AI in the office of the CFO. All right, back to New York. Crazy. Super cool. Hello, hello. I come bearing gifts. A little nervous. For context, I just finished all of the notes, feeling really good about it. It's kind of weird seeing that many people out there, not gonna lie. And there's people waiting in the lobby and there's people waiting outside. So pretty cool. It's our first event, also biggest event. So Yeah, a bit nervous, but ready to go. And do you do voice, like, practice?
No.
No?
I just,
You just go.
yeah.
Raw. Bam.
Just gotta roll.
Just go. All right. I'm going to go in one of those boxes and yell for a second. Ma, 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 ma. La, 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 la. Ta, 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 ta. Quick and simple. Ready to go. Feeling present. Let's go.
Just because it said Excel on it.
We just finished AI Faire. It was extremely intense. I am exhausted. There was over 500 people. They had over 1,000 people sign up, but 500 really good people. And then basically we won. We won the most amount of demos booked, by the way, fun fact. But anyways, now we're gonna go and unpack, get ready for everything, and just get ready to take on all of these meetings and all of these new people. Real quick, I'm gonna show you guys what this place looked like. So real quick here, we have some candy. This was the candy bar area. Every room had a startup. Our startup room was just over here. We have the team tearing things down. They're exhausted. They got a lot of meetings today. It's a beautiful area here at the office. Lots of meeting happening around here. Bunch of snacks, a bunch of other startups walking around. It was awesome. Now we're arriving at the front where a lot of the brand sponsorships were. Our pyramid that we built. Clearly, this was not a great sales tactic. Alton had a much better one. They're gone. Ours is still present. It kind of looks like a block of cheese, but you know, I'm gonna keep going. This room over here was absolutely packed. We had a bunch of different startups over here, all with their own little setups, doing a bunch of different demos. You're not really supposed to see this, but this is for the insiders only. All right, come on, follow me. This was the room where all of the special guests got to hang out with the beautiful view of New York and a bunch of snacks. Hello. Macy. Thank you guys both so much for today. This was awesome.
It was really cool because it was the first one in New York, and I feel like the finance bros came out and they were really interested in new startups, and it was tons of people.
The most RSVPs for any AI Faire.
And quality was
probably
insane.
the highest RSVPs for any tech week event ever too, but that's unconfirmed.
Unconfirmed.
Unconfirmed, but I
But
say
likely.
so. But very likely, and very high quality. We had our VIPs.
Super good quality.
We had our VIPs, our speedrun insiders. Yeah, it was just a great time all around.
That's awesome. Well,
Yeah.
thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome.
Of course,
You're the best.
yeah, thanks.
Thank
you guys
you.
crushed it.
Today was an insane day.
Yeah,
Tons of work.
tons.
What'd you think?
Well, it was AI Faire, so got to speak with a bunch of executives. Really happy with the turnout. I think we got some really good conversations, got some demos booked for next week as well, already in the calendar. So I think it was an overall very successful day, and I'm really tired now because I've been talking all day.
Yeah.
But it was really positive.
Over, I don't know how many, probably like 50, at least 50 demos done in the session. A ton more coming after this. This is all we got, folks. This was our first ever recorded event, our first event ever as a company.
Yeah.
Yesterday with hundreds of people.
Yeah.
We had over 1,000 signups, which is an insane beginning for us. Today was absolutely nuts with AI Faire, but this was also the first time we filmed everything.
Yeah, yeah. No, I think it was awesome. I think it's so cool to be in New York City and get to do this, put Pluvo on the front lines and market the great things that we've been building for a long time. And we're really excited to be here, and we're gonna keep trying to film everything that we do so that we can go along the journey. And yeah, it's been just so awesome.
Yeah.
Had a great day.
Yeah, and we'll see you around. All right, cutting in one last time. New York was a few weeks ago. It went amazing. The message was very clear. You guys want us to do a lot more of this. And so I'm very excited to launch Pluvo University. Go check it out at pluvo.io/learn. You're gonna get a bunch of free content on how to use AI inside your business, how to deploy it, how to use it inside the office of the CFO, how to become a finance engineer. All of that content is gonna be fully free. You're gonna get all access to this. And so thank you so much for all the support, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.